Key is to stay still as possible. Bit of dead skin as well, which I'll try and clear away. Wriggling it in circles just to loosen it from the canal wall.
Quite soft.
It's slightly soft, yeah. I'm just playing tug of war with me. It's half hanging out your ear.
Really?
Yeah, it's telling me it doesn't want to come out, but I'm going to have the last say. So I'm just gently teasing it out.
Is it all in one lump, or is it all?
It may well come out in one lump. Because it's skin, you can get skin ribbons.
Lovely.
The skin ribbons may tear, and I'll go back in and get it. But with skin, it can be very noisy sometimes. So I'm just trying to get a good suction grip so it's not squealing at you as you remove.
No sign of any wildlife then?
We'll wait and see. There might be some lurking hiding behind this.
Yeah, well, so my friend's been telling me ever since I thought I was going to get it done. I was watching a video on Facebook where they found an insect all curled up at the bottom.
I mean, insects love the ear because it's a safe and secure sanctuary, but actually one of the reasons why, evolutionary reasons why we think we've got earwax is to repel insects from entering the ear. Because earwax is slightly acidic, that can repel insects from entering the ear. I'm just trying to get this out in one go, actually. I'd be interested to see how big it is.
Oh, God.
So there's one strand.
It's a little while. And one of the reasons I left it is because I had my ear syringe years ago. And I know it had been sort of discredited. Oh, I can feel that.
It's a large ribbon there. Yeah, so a lot of doctors, practices don't do syringing anymore because of the risks it can pose. Water in the ear is never recommended because it can lead to an ear infection.
Yeah.
If it's not performed properly, it can actually, so I've just got some skin stuck to my glove, I'm just going to loosen that. It can actually force the wax further in your ear.
Yeah.
And because it's a pump, it's applying pressure, it can also perforate your eardrum.
And that's why I didn't bother really, but I didn't know what else to do because eardrops just make it worse.
So to gross you out.
Jesus Christ, that's just all dead.
The piece of wax, and that's all the skin that's attached, and all the other ribbons are skin.
It's unbelievable I can hear at all.
A bit left.
See, I use a headset with just one ear as well. I don't know whether that makes it worse.
If it doesn't go in your ear, then it shouldn't really affect it. It's only when you wear earbuds, because you're poking that inside your ear. So the skin is quite sticky. Just block my tube. Just putting a bit of pressure on the canal wall to loosen the skin because it is quite stubborn. We've just got some wax that's hiding behind the ear canal entrance. There's a little alcove there as well, which normally you wouldn't even see using a normal otoscope, which is a device we inspect the ear with, but with the endoscope, the view is so good, we can see
everything
really, can't hide from this, which I think wax tries to do sometimes. Yeah, I'm pleased with that. All done. I'll just touch with your ears so I can show you afterwards. Yeah, that's nice and healthy. All done. How are you feeling?
It's nice to have the pressure gone.
Yeah, because it was fully occluded and there's no air or sound being able to travel through your ear canal. And it was all coiled up in your ear, so now I've actually unravelled it.
Yeah.
It was all coiled up, so it's quite a lot there. It's quite a significant amount.